Mami. Queen. Recognition ni Winwin. First honor, Winwin.
May we request everyone to please stand for the doxology. Let us call on John Russell Fernandez. Let us call on Jared Elawan, Grade 8 Honest TV High Honor for the Panatang Makabayan.
Taas po natin ang ating kanang kamay para sa Panatang Makabayan. Panatang Makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Tinubog ko pa po at tinutulungang maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, diringin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang. Susundin ko ang tuntunin ng paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang tungkulin ng isang mamamayang makabayan. Naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nagdarasal ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aming buhay, pangarap pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas.
Thank you.
afternoon.
Yes. Parang kulang pa. Good afternoon! Yan. So parang hindi masaya na we will be receiving the fruits of your hard work and perseverance. Again, honored guests, our school administrators, equally competent members of the faculty, respected parents, our honorees this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our recognition day. I am delighted to stand here in front of you and welcome you on behalf of the SMAC administration. As much as you are thankful that these students are receiving these awards, we are more thankful that you have given us this privilege and opportunity to be part of your children's pursuit of excellence.
Currently, our guest speaker today serves as child and parent advocate in Taichung, Taiwan, among our overseas Filipino workers as missionary. She provides counsel, spiritual advice, and prayer for individual and family relationship. Actually, ang ating guest speaker today is our SMAC Guidance Associate or Counselor for almost 10 years here in St. Matthew. So let us welcome our guest speaker for today, Mrs. Marieta Bauyon Pesco, or kilalang-kilala niyo siya sa tawag na Ma'am Maya.
Thank you, Ma'am Riza, and sa mga tagapanguna sa bawat level ng akademika, sa ating punong principal, Sir Rabbi, at sa lahat po ng administrators ng St. Matthew Academy of Cavite, sa mga matsatsaga at masisipag nating mga guro, sa mga minamahal nating mga magulang, mga kapamilya, kaibigan, at sa ating mga mag-aaral. Magandang hapon sa inyo.
Well, together with Ms. Melinda Espadriaga, our school directress. Awarding of medals, we would like to call on stage Mrs. Annabel Caro, Mrs. Amy B. Espina, Mr. Nicasio Enderes, Ms. Marieta Pesco, and Mr. Joseph P. Rebay.
Camilo Carl Arnold. Third place, volleyball boys. Second place, field demo. First place, basketball boys. Athlete of the year.
entrusting us with their education and for being the steadfast partner in this journey. May we request everyone to please stand. May we call on Mrs. Annabel Cano for the closing prayer.
Tayong manalangin, Ama naming Diyos, makapangyarihan sa lahat, sa pangalan po ng aming Panginoon Jesucristo. Nagpapasalamat kami, Panginoon, sa katagumpayan ng aming programa. Nawa, Panginoon, ay patuloy na i-bless po ang bawat isa. Salamat po sa talino at talento ng mga batang ito, Panginoon, kung